Let me show you how we can use and find the Pro mode on a Nothing Phone 3a. So first of all, in order to find the Pro mode, we need to simply go to More, and then over here we have Expert, which is just another name for the Pro mode. And unfortunately, there aren't that many options in this mode, except for some standard parameters that are available in every Pro mode on every phone. So we can find, for example, EV, which is exposure, and it allows you to adjust the overall brightness of your image. It is a quick way to make your photo lighter or darker. You can move left and right in order to adjust it, and we can press this circle with the arrow in order to reset this parameter to 0. And it is also the only parameter that cannot be set to auto. Then we have ISO, which is an option that allows you to control how sensitive the sensor is to light. A low ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light, and a higher ISO helps in low light, but too high can add grain or noise to the photo. Here we can also move left and right in order to adjust the ISO, and if you use the reset button, it switches back to automatic. Then we have S, which is the shutter speed, and it decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture the light. Low shutter speeds let in more light, while fast speeds freeze action. And here also we can adjust it manually or keep it automatic. Then we have WB, which is the white balance. It adjusts the color temperature so whites look like white colors, and the colors look natural in general. So we can move it to the left in order to make the colors look more cool, more bluish, as you can see over here in the preview. And then we can also move it to the right in order to make them more orange-ish. There we go. And of course, we also have the AF, which is the focus, which is of course set to automatic, but we can move to the left in order to focus on objects that are the closest to the camera, or move it all the way to the right, increase the value to up to 1 in order to keep the focus on objects that are further away. So you'll lose the focus on objects that are pretty much in front of you, but you will keep the focus on objects that are behind or on the secondary plan. And that is essentially it. Of course, we can also use the zoom, and if we tap on this arrow, we also have the flash, the camera flashlight, the timer, the option to capture in RAW format, grid, aspect ratio, and just camera settings. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!